Hi, I'm Jack from Crewe Volkswagen and I'm going to show you around this approved used Volkswagen.
This is the Golf 8 R-Line finished in Moonstone Grey, featuring that 1.5 eTSI petrol engine producing 150 PS with a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. You'll have peace of mind motoring in this vehicle with a full Volkswagen service history alongside the approved used benefits which I'll mention at the end of the video, as well as adaptive cruise control at the front. You'll also benefit from those LED headlights, providing fantastic vision in all conditions. Coming down the side of the car, you've got these lovely 17-inch alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly, alongside your optionally fitted power folding wing mirrors with side assist. There's also privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards as well. Into the rear, you can see there's a huge amount of boot space available with split folding seats and also with that adjustable boot floor, which is currently in its lowest setting. There's also a low-through hatch as well for any longer items. And moving inside, the signature R-Line upholstery with the park cloth, leather and Alcantara seats. There's also a couple of USB ports in the back for rear passengers to charge any devices. Moving to the front, there's a leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, alongside an adjustable centre armrest to help keep you comfortable on the road at all times. And just behind the wheel, you've got a full digital display, housing all your vital driving information with a heated steering wheel as well, so perfect for those cold winter mornings. Alongside digital radio and multiple media functions such as your Bluetooth, you'll also benefit from Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can mirror apps from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. Got the ambient lighting on board as well to help brighten up the interior while driving at night, with these preset light themes and a huge range of colours to choose from. You've also got the latest safety systems on board to help keep you and the family safe on the road at all times, such as side assist and front assist as well, including emergency braking. To help with parking, there's front and rear parking sensors with audible warnings. You've also got multiple driver modes available, including a sport setting for a more dynamic drive. Moving a little bit further down the cabin, you've got a couple of USB ports as well as wireless phone charging, so you can charge multiple devices on the move. You've also got your keyless start there as well.
This vehicle comes with 2 years warranty, 2-year roadside assistance, as well as much more. If you need any more information, please call us on 01270 864 452 or inquire online now.